So this is the K2 luxury apartment development right here on the waterfront. So we have done probably 2 or 3 videos already, and this is an update. It's getting there. It's almost finished. It's a $2.1 billion investment. So we're just here to get some highlights, get some drone shot just to see the progress of work as well. So definitely stay tuned, guys. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe as well. So it's right next to the ocean, so every apartment will be seeing some ocean views. It's a mixture of studios, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom. So yeah, I know when prices were announced when grounds were broken, but I'm sure, you know, over the 1 to 2 years those prices have gone up. So I'm sure when they finalize everything, if it's not sold out, we'll hear some updated prices. So K2 luxury development, the only luxury high-rise, you know, this side of Kingston, close to Harbour View, right here on the Michael Manley Boulevard. 10 floors. So yeah, this is what we're taking a look on today. Hey guys, so back with another video. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss. So this is what we highlight: new development, whether it's road, apartment, commercial, residential, whatever the development is, we try to highlight it for you guys because we love Jamaica and we support nation building and, you know, progress. So yeah, K2 luxury apartment development, that's what we're taking a look on today. So stay tuned. Remember to leave your comments, like, subscribing is the cheapest way to support the channel as well. So design, I like the design. I'll try to put the design in the thumbnail, and I'll put the link for their website in my pinned comments as well, so you guys can check out the website. It's in an inner city community in Kingston, Bournemouth Gardens. So Kingston 2, that's the location. So that's why it's called K2. So stay tuned. I'm gonna send up the drone to get some more shots for you guys. You guys would have gotten a few shots already from the B-roll. So it's really just an update because we've been covering this from foundation, from the first floor, and I'll put the link for some of the first videos we did, so you guys can check back those as well to see where it's coming from and where it's at right now. So yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for clicking on this video. Thanks for your support. Let's jump into the rest of the drone shots and the rest of the video.